Yan, ma'am. This is where the magic happens. Hi, future homeowners. Welcome back again to our YouTube channel here at Virtual House Tour. So for today's vlog, we will be heading to another property which is single attached near Clark International Airport sa Talanai Homes by Rimaben. So dito tayo ngayon sa mag-exit sa Dao. So yan yung kung manggagaling kang San Fernando or Manila, so yan yung exit sa NLEX, which is the Dao exit. And then Talanai is part of Mabalacat City dito sa Pampanga. So this is the Dao exit, and then dito maraming mga establishment din such as SMR, the bus terminal, the hospital, and even mga schools. Later on, I'll be showing you around sa mga dadaan natin, no? Which is another very strategic location din siya. So, yan. And then, if you've noticed, madami mga buses dito kasi galing yan from Manila. So, dito sa Dao bus terminal, yan, if you want to go to the north or if you want to go to the south, so you have already the bus terminal dito sa Dao. This is the bus terminal, the Mabalacat City bus terminal. So malapit lang yung project namin dito sa Talanai, dito sa bus terminal. And surprisingly, meron ng pure gold Dao access road dito. So kung gusto mo pumunta ng Pangasinan, gusto mo ng Manila, so generally speaking, Pampanga is really the passageway, or it's the gateway, no? It is the center if you really want to go to the north and if you want to go to the south. So that madadaanan mo ang Pampanga. So from here, from the bus terminal, if you're going to left side, you will be heading na going to SM Clark. So malapit lang dito yung SM Clark. And if you're going to turn right, so dun papunta yung project. Yung project is it will just take us about 10 to 15 minutes away from the bus terminal. So let's go. So malapit na tayo sa kanto ng subdivision. But before dun sa kanto, again, madadaanan natin yung hospital, which is the St. Raphael Hospital. So ayun siya, yung color yellow, and dun sa mismong kanto, we also have the SM Hypermarket, and meron din tayong Skytech doon. So Skytech, parang commercial establishment din doon na yun nga, yung mga BPO companies na nag-ooperate. So if you're really working near dito, perfect talaga yung Talanai for you, na instead of you renting out, but you will own your own house, diba? You can call it your own home. So this is the St. Raphael Hospital Center. The St. Raphael Foundation Medical Center. And then we also have again the Skytech. Nandyan yung mga lessee, no? The PNB, the cloud staff. So we have also the cloud staff branch here, no? One of the biggest BPO company dito sa Philippines. And of course, like what I've mentioned a while ago, we have the SM Hypermarket. So ito yung pinakakanto niya. It is the Barangay Camachiles. Ayan yung pinaka-arco niya, the Barangay Camachiles. From kanto, if we will going to drive going to the site itself, it will just take us about 5 to 8 minutes. Ganun lang siya kalapit. So very, very strategic yung location niya. And you will just go straight forward dito, or just straight. Ito yung tulay na sinasabi ko sa inyo, na you could really see Kasi right beside the dun sa kanto, papunta na yon going to NX. And then of course, yung pinagmamalaki dito sa Pampanga is the view of the mountain, the iconic Mount Arayan. Sobrang nature vibe talaga. Ayan, you could really see the view of the Mount Arayan here. So yung barangay is the Barangay Sapang, Biabas, Mabalacat City. It will just take about 2 minutes. So nandito tayo ngayon nasa entrance gate ng Talanai Homes. So welcome sa Talanai Homes. So ayan, 24/7 security, meron tayong security guard. Hello kuya, since kakilala na tayo dito, no? Ayan, say hi lang, pero you will also provide ID if you're not a resident here. So sa entrance mo pa lang or pag-enter mo pa lang, bubungad na sa inyo yung right of way na maraming mga puno din, no? Naka-landscape din yung sa right of way. And there you go, mga model units natin. And later on, again, we will be showing you around what inside. Hi future homeowners! Welcome back again to our YouTube channel here at Virtual House Tour. For today's vlog, we will feature another housing project dito sa Pampanga, which is here in Talanai Homes. And together with me, si...
Hi! I'm Grace Mabalacat, the Senior Sales Coordinator under Remote and Properties.
Yan, so she will be joining us dito sa virtual house tour natin for today. But before that, let's talk about the developer, Ma'am Grace. So, who is our developer here in Talanai?
Our developer in Talanai is the Mabel, and we started last 2008. We have 3 existing project na. The first one is the Marina Homes, which located sa Tarlac, and sold out na siya. And the second one is the Rimaben Homes Tao, which almost sold out na. May isang available na lang na inventory. And for now is the Talanai Homes, which we have more and more inventories that we offer.
Oh, nice. And again, we would love to highlight yung location niya, ma'am. So, yung location niya, kasi kanina, we went here just like 15 minutes away from the Ubas terminal eh. So when it comes sa accessibility, super accessible siya. Ano yung mga nearby establishments that we have
Yes,
here?
actually one of the reason yung mga buyers or mga homeowners natin dito is the location-wise. Location-wise in terms of malapit siya sa mga establishment like sa SM Hypermarket, and then at the same time, SM Clark Airport. One of the good thing yan, lalo na kapag mga OFW buyers. At the same time, malapit din tayo sa SNR. We have these churches din na malapit. Also, we have located din sa malapit sa NLEX SCTEX, which yung mga ibang mga homeowners natin or yung mga buyers na nag-avail dito is from Manila pa.
Oh.
And then at the same time, one of the good thing din sa part of ng Pampanga area ngayon is dahil nagpo-progress siya just because of the New Clark City din. Ayan. So malapit din tayo sa New Clark City.
Yes, so what are we waiting for? Let's come and visit what inside sa mga model unit natin dito. So before, di ba ma'am, days, I've been part dito sa Talanai. We had our previous model or old model, which are the Apalit and the Acacia. But right now, we do have an improved and better version, which are
upgraded versions ng ating mga old model units before. And we have the APITONG Model, and also we have the Agoho Model.
Yes.
Ayan, it is a single attached unit also.
Yes, so lalo na yung mga clients natin ngayon are really looking for single attached, no? And how many square meter or how many lot area and floor area do we have for Agoho?
For our Agoho, the lot area is 65 square meter, and for the floor area, we have 62 square meter with 3 bedrooms and 2 toilet and bathroom. And for the Apitong one is a single attached unit also. It is a 65 square meter lot area with the inner locations. And then at the same time, we have also a 50 square meter for the floor area with 2 bedrooms and 1 toilet and bathroom.
Okay, so let's go.
Let's go!
So dito ma'am, as we can see, no, this will be your carport, no ma'am.
Yes, all the units have the part of na may parking lot portions.
Okay. And then, dito sa facade niya, you could also have your... Pwede na din mag-plantito-plantita dito,
Yes,
no?
if mahilig ang mga buyers natin or future homeowner, they will have the part of nang gusto nilang magkaroon ng garden, landscaping. It's a better versions than na may mga part of ng mga halaman,
Yes.
greenery side area. And then for the portions of the property line of the 65 square meter from here, yung property line, up to sa part of no my flooring area.
Yes. So, let's come inside. Sige, ma'am.
Okay.
So, as we enter dito sa APITONG Model, we will be greeted with your living area. And by the way, Miss Grace, this is a fully furnished na model unit. Pero kapag sa turnover, it's just fully finished, right?
We delivered the standard finish.
Yes.
The tiles, naka-tiles na siya.
Naka-tiles na siya.
We have also the ceiling na rin. And then, we have the shots na doon. Livable na. Kumbaga, if in case na may gusto pang ipa-improve or ipa-renovate si buyer, possible naman yon. Pero if wala na, gamit na lang talaga
Yung dadalhin nila.
Oo, yung dadalhin.
So, this can be their inspirational model unit, no? So, this will be their living area. And so, right beside our living area is your dining area. So, pwede dito yung dining area natin, no, Miss Grace. And this one is already upgraded. So,
Yes.
parang nagtayo sila ng, dito, parang bar.
Yes, this is our model unit po na naka-dress up na to give an future resident para sa kanilang inspiration for their dream home. So for the actual turnover, itong nasa center part na to is hindi siya kasama. But the buyers will pwede
Have the
nila,
option.
they have the options na pwedeng gayahin nila to, yung mga nandito sa mga dress up model units natin.
And this is the clean kitchen kasi pwede silang magpagawa ng dirty kitchen on the backyard, no, ma'am?
Yes, we have the space pa sa likod, which ito, possible nila na i-extend for service area or dirty kitchen.
Or the wash area,
Yes.
no? Yan. So, very spacious pa din naman yung sa likod niya, part niya. Yan. And also, dito sa ground floor, we have a toilet and bathroom now, ma'am, Grace. Dito.
Yes po.
So, on the ground floor, meron din siyang toilet and bathroom. So, yan. Tignan natin ang toilet and bathroom. So, let's go naman sa second floor niya, no, ma'am Grace. So, on the second floor, will be the master bedroom. And, ayan, ma'am, this is where the magic happens. And, on the master's bedroom, ma'am, I've noticed, meron kayo ding mini balcony.
Yes, the access for the mini balcony ay nasa portions na nung ating master bedrooms. As the part of the unit, this is included on the APITONG Model unit. At the same time, one of the good thing for this is pwede natin itong palakihin, extend or i-renovate. But we have the restrictions lang with regarding sa pagpapa-improve and pagpapa-renovate, which we will guide as naman yung property management department.
Yes, and I believe dito, pwede ka rin mag-fence.
Yes, actually, halos karamihan ng mga homeowner na nakatira ngayon, most of them ay nagpa-fence and gate talaga.
Oh, so pwede yon for the improvement ng bahay mo. And let's go sa second bedroom naman. So dito naman tayo sa second bedroom. And napansin ko, no, ma'am, talagang min-maximize nila yung space dito, no. APITONG model or Agoho model is really perfect for the startup family kasi napansin natin meron siyang second bed dito sa taas, no? You have 2 or 3 kids, so kasya pa din yung single family dito sa single attached model natin, no?
Yes, for this one is naka-improve na yung design niya. Ang turnover natin is naka-vinyl tiles na. At the same time, meron na tayong ceiling din sa taas. For this area is an inspiration para sa mga homeowner natin na pwede nilang ma-maximize yung part of nung kanilang area.
Oh, nice. And you also have already the provision ng mga air conditioning unit, no?
Yes, we do have provisions para sa mga air conditions. For this area, we have It's either pwedeng maging windows or pwedeng i-convert
Split type.
into aircon, yung mga standard na window type. And then also, if prefer ng buyer ng magkaroon ng split type, we have the, part of no saksahan para sa mga aircon.
That's nice. And yun, let's go sa mga amenity naman niya. So, dito sa subdivision, we also have our amenity area where the unit owners can enjoy. One of the perks of a unit owners is they could enjoy the amenity dito sa Talanai homes, no, ma'am?
And isa yan sa mga laging tinatanong ng mga future homeowner natin. Ano ba yung mga amenities that they can enjoy kapag nakatira na sila sa subdivisions?
So, one of the amenities is the swimming pool. So, how many feet ba? Gano'ng kalalim to, ma'am?
For this one is para siya sa mga kids, and for the adults, we have the 1 feet up to sa 5 feet.
Oh, okay. So, aside from this swimming pool and clubhouse, we also have
a parks and playground and the basketball court. For the basketball court, na-enjoy na to ng ating mga homeowner kasi existing na siya. For parks and playground naman soon, ito ang mga ating exciting na abangan para sa ating mga amenities.
And how many hectares ba in total si Talanai homes, ma'am?
The total hectares for this project is 13 to 14 hectares.
Oh, ang lawak din pala niya, no, ma'am?
Yes.
And we already have our our existing residents here. And shout out sa mga clients namin dito, homeowners dito na nakatira na, no?
Ni Sir Allan also.
Yes.
Ayan.
So for our second model unit, which is the Agoho model, so behind us, ito yung exterior niya. Very minimalist lang din siya, no, ma'am? And
Yes, modern.
modern,
din ang
minimalist
design.
lang din siya. And halos same lang din ng APITONG na meron siyang carport dito.
Yes, same with the lot area of the APITONG. It is a 65 square meter lot area. But if may mga buyers na prefer ang mas malaki na lot area, we do also have a 84 square meter lot area. And the model unit is Agoho, or yung property or yung unit na itatayo doon is the Agoho model. By the way, this is a 65 square meter lot area. As we can see sa part of na ito, ayan, sa likod, meron pa tayong space for extensions and improvement, which mas lalaki yung floor area natin and mas nagiging spacious if we can extend tong part of nito. At the same time, lahat ng mga model unit natin dito is meron siyang proposed parking lot area. Ang kasya dito is pick up or van.
Pwede na din yung mga bigger cars, no, ma'am?
And at the same time, hindi pa rin mawawala yung part of nung ating paglalandscape or yung mga plantito nating mga home or future homeowner.
Parang excited na ako na pumasok. So let's
Yes,
see.
nakaka-excite naman talaga ang Agoho model natin dahil ito ay isang upgraded or pinaka-best versions ng single attached unit na ina-offer natin dito sa Talanai.
Yes. Alright, let's go.
And let's go!
So as we enter dito sa model unit natin, no, ma'am. So halos same layout, no. It will be we will be greeted with the living area and
Very spacious, diba?
Mas malaki siya, ma'am, as compared kay APITONG.
For this floor area is a 62 square meter floor area.
Tapos dito sa ma'am, sa dining niya, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 seater yung kasya. No.
Yes, it is a design for a big family or group of family na.
And may access siya going to your lanai.
And one of the good things sa mga model units natin or sa mga ino-offer natin mga single attached unit, as we can see, it is a sliding door.
Just to maximize the space as well.
Yes, at the same time, sa part of nung ating mga model units or yung mga ino-offer nating mga single attached units, mas mataas yung part of nung ating ceiling to have the ventilations din sa air.
Okay. And then, sa ground floor din niya, meron din tayo?
We have toilet and
bathroom din. Ayan.
Ayan, naka-tiles na ito. We have the shower din. Ayan. Ang hindi lang included upon the turnover is yung lalagyan or yung sa part of ng cortina. And then the rest of ng mga things na nandito. Pero
are already included?
Yes. Kasama nito, itong sink, and then at the same time, naka-tiles na ito.
Alright. So excited na ako to go upstairs, ma'am. Let's go.
And this is the master bedrooms, and ang hindi included for the actual turnover is yung mga part of ng mga accents o walling. At the same time is yung sa ceiling natin, naka-dress up kasi siya. So, itong portions na to is for inspiration sa mga pwedeng improve or
Mga team kahoy dyan, no?
Oo, mga team kahoy dyan. Ayan,
Or
mga
team
team
puti.
Ayan,
Sa
and
home
then,
bodies, no?
yes. And then at the same time, we have the access for the
Balcony.
balcony.
So, pwede kang magkape-kape dyan during the morning, no, ma'am?
And then one of the good thing pa, ang locations natin ay harap ng bundok Arayan.
Oo
Or
nga.
may view ng Mount Arayan.
We have the iconic view of the Mount Arayan. So, dito naman, right beside with the master's bedroom is your second bedroom.
This is the regular bedroom. 2 regular bedrooms. Ayan.
Ayan. So, talagang perfect siya sa mga startup na family, no? And napansin ko dito on the third bedroom, kasi uso ngayon is the work from home
Work from
setup,
home,
no?
yes.
So, parang ginawa nilang office na din to, no, ma'am?
You can convert it into office, lalo na kapag mga freelance, work from
Yes.
home, yung ating mga future home.
Oh, that's nice. So, talagang kumbaga may privacy pa din, no, ma'am? And, of course, we have our common toilet and bathroom on the second floor. So, maybe some of the future homeowners are curious about the prices and computation that we have, no, ma'am? So, magkano ba yung mga APITONG and Agoho natin right now, 2024 March?
Yeah. As of now, we have the price of the APITONG, which ranging from 2.3 million. And also for the Agoho, we have 3 million. Ranging from 3 million. It depends on the lot area of the buyer that they will like to reserve. But actually, yung mga model units that are yung mga in-offer natin dito mga units is possible siya. Finance through pag-ibig,
Yes.
bank financing, we do also a deferred cash payment and spot cash payment.
So our unit owners or future buyers they do have the option to choose from kung ano yung magiging payment terms nila, no?
Yes.
And I believe naka-promo tayo ngayon.
Yes, we have a existing promo. We have a background blank before last year. We will offer it po ng 18 months to pay for the down payment.
That was before.
That was before. And this 2020-2024, we have a promo from 18 months. We extended our down payment terms into 24 months.
So mga magkano na lang on a monthly?
Ayan, on a monthly basis
Kung-
para sa mga
Kung 24
APITONG.
months.
Ayan, para sa mga APITONG model,
Oo.
if 24 months yung ating magiging down payment, nasa 27,946 na lang.
Yung monthly amortization nila, no?
this
For
is-
24 months.
This is the down payment
Yes,
first.
down payment stage. And then after the down payment stage, of course, pwede nga silang mamili if pag-ibig or bank.
For the monthly amortizations
Oh.
through pag-ibig financing para sa APITONG natin, for 30 years, alam mo ba, Sir Allan, it is 11,047.44 lang per month.
So, ganun ka-affordable for as low as 11,000, pwede ka nang magkaroon ng bahay. Kasi it's just like a rent-to-own scheme, but technically, of course, it will be financed through pag-ibig.
Yes.
But parang it seems na nagrerenta ka lang din, no, ma'am? But you can call it your own home. Diba? So, again, we still have few available slots. That's why feel free to message us for more details so that we could further discuss yung mga payment terms na gusto nyo. So, for more information and details about this project, feel free to message us. And don't forget to follow, like, and share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel here at Virtual House Tour. So just hit the notification bell button so that you will be notified whenever we release new uploaded videos and real estate market trends.